What?
Oh, I don't like doing it, but I can.
No, I'll do it.
No, I don't mind.
You can put your disc rotor on the front.
I don't mind taping the wheel. It's fine. No compressor needed.
That's nice.
Maxis and BP Swiss.
Pretty sweet.
Drop lowers, there's no oil.
You don't have to drop the lowers, you can just pop the studs loose and pull the lowers down and put them in the night. You don't have to take the lowers completely off of you.
True. You don't have to.
Just a couple minutes.
Okay.
Do you want it clean, grease out, and put oil?
No, I don't know. I don't know. You can ask. I just think we. Oh, I was just gonna say I have to run a reamer through the.
Huh?
No, I have to run a reamer through the non-drive drop now.
Yeah, no worries.
It's. I tried.
I gotta go like, which front and back?
I mean, they're not. Screw it now.
Solid. Nice. How's it being the team mom and team photographer, Margaux?
Being the team mom, I'm in charge of food and content.
Content manager.
Content manager here. This is the key.
CCs.
You guys want anything to drink with your pizza? I have water. So yeah, I have my water too. And I already have my yerba tea, so that's my soft drink of the day.
Cool. Evan, they have mate over there. Coke and iced tea.
Iced tea sounds good.
Cool. Like,
Arnold Palmer.
yeah, they have that.
Do that.
How about you, Lawrence?
I was thinking about the designated towel.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
No, it's
It's damn.
oh nice. Yes, the green ones and the
So your frame, for whatever reason, you know we read it. The head to, I don't know if it's the headset tolerance. The bearing is a little bit tight, so it'll go in easily. Coming out probably has to be hinges. But it's a little tight, so
yeah. Oh yeah, that's all.
better than the other way around.
Yeah, but it feels loose.
Yeah. We got that. One side has oil.
Green ones go at the bottom. They're both green.
They're both green. They're
both
the same bearing and everything. Yeah. Symmetrical headset. But that's good feedback about the crown clearance. Yeah, that's something that I guess I didn't like mock up the downhill fork to see
Yeah.
how it would turn. Because the problem is though, there's not enough unless I do a bend in the tube, there's no way I could increase that clearance.
I was just worried it was too sharp on the inside.
Okay.
Yeah, I still need to knock in the claw stuff. It works.
The claw.
Nice.
The claw! The start up?
Yeah.
It should
Wait.
spot out at the perfect depth.
But you want to use the mallet in or the, no, you want to use, yeah. Alright.
Keep going. Check to see if it's all the way down.
Still got a ways to go? Yeah. Is that a star nut? Like too tight? Is that scary or what?
No, I'm a three. I've also never used one of these tools. I just use like an oddity. You jammed it crooked.
Lawrence, you don't have enough plates and napkins, do you? I can run back over there.
I have 10 plates.
Never been this straight.
I'll just go after.
We don't need plates. You good? We're adults. We don't need plates.
Or you can jump on the bed if you want.
I'll just spill everything on the
They're pretty
ground.
big floppy.
You want to get, I'll take one.
A play? Oh, you're
Yeah,
being.
'cause it's gonna spill everywhere.
You're being adult. What are you doing, Evan?
Adulting.
What are you doing?
Being an adult.
It goes like this, right? Oh yeah, you screw it in first? I did. Okay.
Okay. Fenders.
I'll speak on
You
myself
guys
again.
want fenders? Fenders.
That's a cool tool. Yeah. It's also pretty important because other times it goes in so crooked. Oh yeah. Yeah, anytime I do it like with, well, I've never used these. It's always like slightly crooked.
I took apart this old like early.
Yeah. Yeah, but you're welcome. Happy to help.
Thanks.
That's what I'm here for.
You're so good at it. Finding stuff. That was.
Just use the oldest thing from Journey.
Batman! Larry's his nickname.
I didn't know they made stuff like this. Pretty cool. Who makes that one?
Some rando down in Pasadena.
The original tool said made. That must have been a really fun tool that hard to cut.
As a, I think the
CNC this little bit with like.
was this made in China?
No. What do you use it for?
That?
Yeah.
Literally just end caps. Just printing cables, yeah. So you see her cable end caps is Larry. Since we have access, you don't get that. Oh, taking a picture of someone taking a picture. Can I take a picture of you taking a picture of her?
I'm just taking a video of you taking a picture.
Quite long.
Yay, once kind of just set up pretty far out. I don't know if you yours.
Oh, I didn't check it. Now I could. I didn't think it would be out, but you know they are molded by strands.
It could be a dropout alignment issue as well.
It shouldn't be, but good for the heads up, I guess.
Nice job.
Thank you. Oh, no, I think it was. Yeah. I've just been filming him forever. Wait.
Almost at 19.
I'm guessing 17.9.
Alright.
Oh, you're
Kilos?
okay, that's light. You don't have the exo casing on there. Those are down casing. There's no way. You're not gonna
Probably,
sit on your
I'm gonna convert. I gotta convert because I can only take a pound.
Wait. Evan's still guessing.
Hold on. I was thinking 39 and a half
Give her a
pounds.
guess quick.
I said 39 and a half pounds. 39 and a half. I'm 1 ounce off of 39 and a half.
Yo! Yes.
Is that a good weight? Is that okay?
It's like one. I was close.
Okay.
No, it's pedals are light.
True, and those are downhill wheels. Those are not super light. That one has a full, that dropper though is, or not dropper, saddle is.
Do you need help?
Yeah, that little hook is not doing its job.
Yo.
Why is it so much heavier?
Different. Yeah.
His dog jumped in the water and got served.
Just always try to fit in. When it consumes my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a paragon, not a villain. I hate the city, but I stay for you. I'm so pretty, and I always will. From the day that I'll be with you. That you love me too. Without you, I'm all